G'day guys, what's cracking? It's your old mate 2Aussie here again. So I've come up with this little thing this week where it's something I haven't made before, but I gave it a go and I had some naan bread and it's like, what am I going to do with this naan bread? I don't even know why I bought it. So anyway, I thought I should be able to come up with something with it. So what I did was chucked on some cheese, some chicken, tomato, shallots. You know, you can sort of put whatever you like, but as long as you put a bit of cheese on, you can roll it up. Well, I put it in the microwave first and then heat it up, get everything melted, and then you roll it up and it becomes like a wrap and it actually sticks together. So guys, I'll show you all the ingredients, and what I'm going to call it is a garlic naan bread wrap, the cheesy wrap. So, but you don't have to use garlic naan bread, you can use normal naan bread. There's a few to choose from. And you can put on it whatever you like. So let's give it a go. I'll try to make this as quick as possible. Just a short little video just to put out there. And a nice little thing I made up which tastes really great. So guys, I'll show you all the ingredients and then we'll get on to making it up. So this is the ingredients for our cheesy naan bread garlic wrap. Or should I say garlic naan cheesy wrap. So we've got some naan bread. I'm using some pizza cheese for this one, some chicken, tomato, chives, and I thought I'm going to make two of them, so I thought I'll put a bit of mild chili sauce on it, and one with what's it called? Herb and garlic. I like this herb and garlic one. All the ingredients here, guys, are from my local Aldi store. Not promoting Aldi here, but that's just where I shop. The tomatoes and the chives have actually come from my garden, which I will show you one day when things grow up a bit more. There's not much happening out there yet. So anyway guys, I'll get to assembling this thing and then we'll chuck it in the microwave and see how it comes out. I know it's going to be pretty good anyway, so we'll get back to you with the end result. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put chicken first. Like I said guys, you can put anything you like on this. Just the main thing is to put some cheese because it helps to stick it all together. So put some chicken on. This was a little experiment I did the other day because I bought some naan bread and it's like, what am I going to do with this stuff? Just because it was cheap I picked it up. But I ended up coming up with something because I wasn't going to end up eating it and throwing it out. So I'm going to make these guys the same, just tomato, chicken, and a bit of chives just to give it a bit of flavour, and then I'll put the sauce on later. Well, I'll actually microwave it first, melt it all, and then I'll put the sauce on later just before I fold it all up. So a bit of chives, looking nice and colourful. So I'm using pizza cheese guys only because I just happen to have some there, but you know, you use whatever you like. You don't have to go too overboard with the cheese. Just enough to cover everything. A bit like a pizza but not too much. And then what you do is when you microwave it, I'll give it 2 minutes to microwave it and melt the cheese. And then the cheese, once before it cools down and goes harder, I'll just fold it up and it tends to stick the naan bread together and it makes like a roll, a bit like a wrap. So a little bit more. It's a nice little meal. If you just want a little snack, you can just cook one, or if you want it as a meal, you can have two. It's quite filling with two. So guys, I'll whack that in the microwave for 2 minutes and then I'll put one of each sauces on and we'll see how that tastes. I haven't actually tried it with the sauce yet, so we'll give that a go. So this is them guys, all out of the microwave. Now what I'm going to do is, this one's a mild chili sauce. I'm going to put a little bit on there just to give it some flavour. This one is a garlic and herb, not much in there, so I don't know how much is going to come out. I'm getting a bit out. It's near the end, that one. I couldn't find any more at my Aldi store this week. Sorry about all this disgusting noises. So before they get to cool, fold them up and just hold them so that they stick. And just hold that for a little while. Oh, actually that should be alright like that. So guys, that's the wraps. Naan bread, cheesy, garlic wraps. I can never get the name right, but I'll get it right in the title. So we'll give that a test and see how they go. I think the herb one will be best, but like I said, you can do anything you like with these. It's no set rules. This one should taste good, so we'll give it a taste test and see how it goes. So now my favorite part of the video, the taste test. We love this part. So this one is the mild chili. Give that, actually I'll start from that end because there's a bit more on that end. So let's see what it's like, guys. Not bad. Nice flavour. When I came up with this idea the other day, I didn't actually put any sauce on it, and I just thought before I was making the video that why don't we put some sauce on it? And now it tastes even better than it did the first time I made it. So this one is the herb and garlic. Both fantastic. So guys, there it is. Great little meal. Simple little recipe, just whack it in the microwave. Tastes great. So if you don't give me a thumbs up, well, I'm giving myself a thumbs up because this is fantastic. Good little experiment, something like I said, something I came up with the other day. So guys, give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. It's not that expensive to make. It's not that hard to make. And you can just put whatever you like with it. You might like sweet chili sauce. You might like another kind of sauce, maybe even tomato sauce with other things in it. Give it a go. But as long as you use the naan bread and the cheese, doesn't matter which naan bread, it'll taste fantastic. So give it a go, guys. And I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, guys, you can never be too Aussie. Hooroo! Until next time.